keep spin.
Smooth. Bro, I think it's just better when you have someone.
Oh, it's just like...
Tripod is good.
It's Emeraldp on the beat, baby.
You too, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Dr. Barber Jacobs, and it's another video of haircut tutorial, and let's get started. So we started off with the zero guard close, and we make a guideline around his hair. Take off the bulk of hair and clean up the bottom. By the way, this is Bill from Mongolia. He's my friend, and I'm just cutting his hair for a day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up his side with the trimmer. This is optional. I like to do it because it makes him look more neater and cleaner. So right now I'm using zero guard open, and I'm creating another guideline with going up about 1 inch. And in my previous self-cut fading tutorial video, a lot of you had a question regarding the term flicking out motion, so I'm just gonna go ahead and explain in detail in a bit. So take a look at this. Do you see the line between the two red arrows? That's the line we want to erase it and fade into the guideline on the top. So we want to use zero guard close to gently tap that line. So this is what we call it flicking out in the barber industry. So we're flicking out the line, and so open up a lever just halfway and attack that area indicated in the green arrows, so just right above the red arrows. So that's what we want to blend in between the first guideline and the second guideline. So I'm using number 1 guard open, and I'm creating another guideline about 1 inch or so. So I close down the lever, and I'm trying to blend in the guideline 2 and guideline 3, but it doesn't seem to blend in well, so I'm switching it to 0.5 guard, closing halfway open to blending even better. Alright, so right now I'm with the number 2 guard close, and I'm creating another guideline, but I don't want to make a harsh guideline, so I'm just flicking out. And after we've done with this, I switch into 1.5 guard open and blend in the line between 1 guard and 2 guard. Alright, right now I'm working on the detailing of the haircut. This is the most important part of haircut. It determines like the overall result of the haircut, and I'm just using number 1 guard to see if there's any missing spot or like dark spot or uneven spot, and I'm trying to make it as smooth as possible. Alright, so this is the final step of the haircut. So right now I'm using number 3 guard, and I'm shaping up the hair to connect the fade on the side and the hair on the top. And by the way, if you have any questions or any suggestions or any requests that you want me to describe or explain, just drop down in the comment section below or send me a message on Instagram. Shape up time, I'm shaping up his hairline. Another shape up time. I'm shaping up his top hair.
It's Emeraldp on the beat, baby.
So this is the cut. What do you guys think? If you like it or don't like it, regardless, just leave a comment down below and share with your friends, and maybe you can even try to cut your friend's hair or your family's hair. I've told you everything that you need to do, so good luck with that, and I'll see you pretty soon.
It's Emeraldp
Peace.